This video made her over $3 million. Let me explain you how and why. But first, you wanna like this video, save this video, share this video, comment on this video, and follow me for more. So she made this video, and this video had this much views. And let's say only 1%, which is bare minimum, of these people bought that product actually, which is still this amount of people. All she does is sending people from her video to this site to buy that product on this price. And she gets this amount of commission for every sale that is made through her link. Now let's do some multiplying. Views times fee equals this for one simple video. Isn't that crazy? Yes, but it's possible. Thanks to affiliate marketing. Everything that I showed you is called affiliate marketing, and this is how it's done. You make simple videos, send people to your link, and when they buy it, you make a commission. Why? Because Amazon and 86% of other brands will be happy to pay you for every customer you bring to them. So it's a win-win situation. If you want to know more about it, great news. I created a free beginner's ebook. It's in my profile. Please take it, feel free. And it will also give you an access to the exact same training I went through when I first got started.